In Torbay in 2021, there was a total of 230 collisions. 52 of them were motorcyclists, 26 involved a cyclist, 199 involved a car, 24 involved a light goods vehicle, and 2 involved a heavy goods vehicle. There was a total of 295 casualties, resulting in 2 deaths, 49 people severely injured, and 244 people slightly injured. Most of these casualties were aged between 25 and 69 years of age. According to the cost of collision data from the Department of Transport, in Torbay alone in 2021, this cost £22 million. Whether you walk, drive, or use 2 wheels, we all have a part to play in keeping our roads safer for all road users. Together, let's make Torbay's roads safer.